olives, and ketchup. And don't forget, mozzarella cheese. Now, let's see. We have them. Yeah, we have ketchup, olives, pizza crust, and mozzarella cheese. I think guys, I don't think so. So let's get started. I put some ketchup and then I put some cheese on under the ketchup and cheese. I put some pizza crust. Okay now what we have to do? Oh yeah, olives. Just remember, don't be in a hurry and take too much. Take little. Take your time. Put some little. Put it anywhere you want. Little by little. Take your time. No problem. See, it's easy. Little piece. Without hurrying. It's very easy. It'll be delicious. We're gonna eat it later, okay? It's gonna be delicious. This here. This here. And now. Sides up down, okay? For fun. Down, down. Put them down. Put them down. Just make sure that you're not all very softly in. Okay, now? Just put this guy like this, okay? There we go. Just fill in the gaps. Just don't forget to fill in the gaps. Just not, you just put random places. Fill in the gaps. Okay, now. One left and get it! Okay. Done baking. We can show you guys. Okay, now ready? Here we go. And I think it sounds good, so that means it will taste good. You and me will both try it after it's baked. Okay?